Hi everyone, I am Lisa. I was here 2 years ago and now I'm back. I spent the last 2 years playing professional soccer in Sweden and now I've decided to come visit the farm again. I'm gonna be here for 5 weeks and I came 2 days ago and we have already started to train horses and we're eating lots of avocados. It's very warm in Brazil. Sweden is nasty and rainy and cold, so I'm always sweaty and hot, but it's very nice because you can walk in shorts and it's super awesome. I'm excited to be here for the 5 weeks. We're gonna do lots of different things and I'm excited to see the boys again, Elder and Douglas, and to see how far they have come in life. So Douglas is gonna give a little more update about the farm.
Hi everyone, so England here, she's back. They brought Liz. I'm so excited to have them here. We're gonna have amazing 3 months here. We're gonna train horses. We're gonna have a lot of good time, and I'm so excited to have that. And we have a lot of chickens, a lot of eggs, a lot of avocados. We have 2 new baby cats, and everything's going excellent here. So I finished school. That was a big accomplishment, and I'm so happy to finish school. And thank you all for your donations, for be praying for us. That means a lot to us, and I hope you all have a great weekend. Bye bye.